is not ours. It's God. Alms, alms, alms. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child, so young, so thin, and so rugged. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes, I cannot see, but I know that you are staring at me. Why do we speak to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes, 5 years of bitterness had passed. I can still remember the vast sadness Mother and I shared with Father. My mother was playing the piano while I danced and danced for them. We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door, and a deep silence ensued. Did the girl help us discover a peaceful home? Asked Mother. Mother runs to my father's side, pleading, "Please, Juliet, hide there in the cellar. They can find you there." I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. It seemed as though his feet were glued to the floor. And the door went BAM! And before us, 5 ugly beasts came marching in. "Are you Captain Juliet Santos?" roared the ugliest of them all. "Yes," said my father. "You are under arrest," said one of the beasts. They pulled Father roughly away from us. Father wasn't given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. Oh, how our mouths wanted to see the delicious foods they were eating. Suddenly, we heard a voice calling, "Anita! Consuelo! Anita! Consuelo!" We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw Father hanging on a tree, dead. Father! He had been badly beaten before he died, and I cried, "Vengeance! Vengeance!" Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, we heard church bell ringing. Ding dong! It was a sign for us to find a shelter in our hideout, but I could not leave my invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, the bombs started falling. Airplanes were roaring overhead. Aliens were firing from everywhere. Boom, boom, boom! Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered into pieces. I took her gently in my arms and cried, "I have vengeance! Vengeance! Vengeance!" No, Anita. Vengeance is not ours. It's God. But I cried out. It was like a pent-up volcano. Vengeance is mine, not God! No, Anita. Vengeance is not ours. It's God. These were the words from my mother before she was died. Mother was dead and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours. To forgive is divine, but vengeance is sweeter. And that was 5 years ago. 5 years. Alms, alms, spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child, so young, so thin, and so rugged. Vengeance is not ours. It is God. It's God. It's